Curious if affiliate marketing can make you rich? Let's dive in and explore this lucrative opportunity together. Affiliate marketing has the potential to generate passive income for you. By promoting products or services through unique links, you can earn a commission for every sale made. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right products that align with your audience's interests. Building trust with your audience is crucial in order to drive sales and maximize your earnings. With dedication and strategic planning, affiliate marketing can indeed make you rich over time. Remember, consistency is key in this competitive industry. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your affiliate marketing journey to financial success? Promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale, you can build a lucrative business. Success in affiliate marketing requires strategic partnerships and consistent effort. Choosing the right products to promote and targeting the right audience are key factors. While affiliate marketing can be profitable, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme.